Hey everyone, don't just copy emojis, just discover this cool Windows trick. So you don't have to copy any emojis, can simply press the Windows key on a keyboard and the full stop, the dot sign. The moment you do that, you will find emojis and more, and here you will find a lot of things and you can use these emojis whatever you want to. You can copy it. I mean, you can use it on anywhere in email, on Facebook, Instagram, right? In chats, in WhatsApp chats from PC, and you can try that. I'll share again. You just need to press the window key and the dot key on a keyboard, and you will find the emoji sign, and you can use it like this. All right. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I really need your support. Have a wonderful day. Take care, guys. Have a wonderful day.